Hey, I'm Mike. I'm the dumbest gardener in the world. Or at least I aspire to be one day. See, contrary to belief, I don't know a whole lot about gardening. I try to keep it simple. And when I started out, I experimented with a lot of different things. I did a little research, and just like some of you out there, I found it a little overwhelming, the amount of information that's out there. So I started with the basics, and I experimented a lot. Some things went right, and some things went wrong. But I just kept focusing on the basics. I got so excited that after many years of trying traditional gardening and hydroponics and just trying everything, that I found a simple way to grow some of my own food and to do it on a continuous basis. And it's like a light bulb went off. I was like, everyone should be doing this. So I've never tried to learn all the fancy things. I've never tried to learn all the technical jargon, and I just try to keep it simple. So when I started sharing this simple way of growing, I got a lot of great feedback. There's a lot of people that said that they tried before, they failed, or they tried several times and failed, and there's some people said they were discouraged and didn't even start because it just looked too difficult and there was too much to learn, or it was too expensive. And then that's when it hit me, that if everyone out there knew at least what I know, and you could even do better, that means that every single person out there could be growing some of their own food. I mean, I've never tried to be the smartest guy in the world. I've never tried to be the smartest guy in the room. I'm humble. It doesn't matter to me what, other people think. I know what I can do. And over the years, I've grown a lot of food, and I've done it in a simple way. And if everyone out there can at least learn and can start this way and then move on from there. I don't expect everyone to, hang around forever. It's not one of those channels where I want everybody to watch me and only me and be loyal to me forever. I want you to learn how to grow your own food. And we do that with the basics. You got to master the basics just like anything else in life. That's the foundation. I think that everyone tries to learn everything because there's so much information out there. They try to learn everything right off the bat, and that's why they get overwhelmed. So I'm never going to pretend to know everything. I'm where you start. I'm the training wheels, and we'll get you going. When you master that, feel free. I can point you in the right direction to other channels if you can't find it. I can point you to other people that can help you. So, I don't want you to just be at my level. I want you to do better. I want everyone to do better. Because if I wake up one day and I know that every person in the world is a better gardener than me, then me knowing what I can do, and that just does my heart good, because I know that there's no one out there that's going to be wanting for food. It's sad that we've given up a part of our lives where we used to be self-sufficient, but a major portion of us depends on somebody else for almost all of our food. So if everyone out there can do at minimum what I do, or more, what a fantastic world that would be. So when I get up every day, I aspire to be the dumbest gardener in the world. It's not a bad thing. Hey, you guys get out there, as always. Much love, live to inspire, keep on growing. Be the change. Catch you next time.